Have you ever wondered if sound can actually move things? I mean, we hear sound all the time, music, traffic, people talking, but we don't usually think of it as a physical force. Well, here's a surprising truth. Sound isn't just something you hear. It's something you can feel, and it can push, pull, and even make objects float. Today, we're diving into the incredible science of acoustic power and exploring how sound can literally move things in the real world. So, what exactly is sound? It's not just noise. It's vibration. Whenever something shakes like a speaker, a guitar string, or even your own vocal cords, it creates waves in the air. These waves travel outward, pushing tiny particles of air along the way. Think about throwing a stone into a pond. You see the ripples spread out, right? That's exactly what sound does, but in the air, and because these waves carry energy, they have the potential to move things. Now you might be wondering, can sound really move small objects? The answer is a definite yes. You've probably seen this classic experiment. You place some salt or sand on a metal plate, and then you turn on a speaker underneath it. What happens? The grains start to dance and form intricate patterns. This isn't magic. It's physics. The sound waves are pushing upward with tiny bursts of pressure. This force is called acoustic radiation pressure. It's a real, measurable force, and it's powerful enough to move small objects. In fact, scientists use this exact effect all the time to move tiny droplets, push microscopic particles, and even arrange cells for medical research. And hear us where it gets even cooler. They can use it to levitate small objects in midair. Yes, you heard that right, levitate. This brings us to the truly mind-blowing part. Sound can make things float. Researchers have developed incredible machines called acoustic levitation devices. These devices use high-frequency sound waves, usually ultrasound, which are way beyond the range of human hearing. These powerful sound waves create a stable pocket of pressure in the air that can hold an object in place, suspended against gravity. The object literally just floats there, held up by nothing but sound. This technology has been used to levitate all sorts of things: water droplets, small styrofoam balls, tiny electronic components, and even live insects without harming them. It looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's happening in labs right now. Okay, so sound can move tiny particles and even levitate small objects. But what about bigger things? Could sound move a cup off your table? Or a chair? What about a car? The short answer is not easily. The force generated by normal, everyday sound waves is incredibly small. To move something large, you would need sound so powerful that it would be extremely dangerous, it would hurt your ears, and could even destroy the objects it is trying to move. This is why powerful explosions, sonic booms from jets, or the roar of a rocket engine can shake buildings and shatter windows. They release an enormous amount of sound energy all at once, but the sound from your speakers or your voice, it just doesn't have enough oomph to move the big stuff. So, while you won't be moving your furniture with a boombox anytime soon, the science of moving objects with sound is already being used in some amazing real-world technologies. In medicine, doctors are exploring how to use ultrasound to manipulate cells inside the body without ever making an incision. Scientists use acoustic tweezers to delicately rearrange molecules and droplets in labs. In manufacturing, sound is being used for non-contact assembly of tiny, fragile electronic components. Even in space research, acoustic levitation helps astronauts study how liquids behave in zero gravity without containers interfering. It's science that truly looks and feels like magic. So, to answer our big question, can sound waves move objects? Absolutely. From making tiny grains of sand dance to levitating droplets in midair, sound is so much more than just something we hear. It's a force, a powerful, invisible vibration that can push, pull, and shape the world around us in ways we're only just beginning to understand. If you enjoyed learning about this mind-bending science, show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel, and let me know in the comments what amazing science topic should we explore next. Thanks for watching.